This video will discuss about dictionary. Dictionary is a library. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం డిక్షనరీ గురించి డీటెయిల్ తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్తో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ స్టోరీ, స్కూల్ బ్యాగ్. Imagine you have a school bag. Inside your bag, English, math, physics, chemistry, all books is there. Now your ఫ్రెండ్ ఆస్క్, మీ ఫ్రెండ్ ఒక బుక్ అడిగింది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా మ్యాథ్స్ బుక్ తీసుకుందాం. ఆ మ్యాథ్స్ బుక్ అనేది మీరు తనకి ఇస్తారు. హౌ విల్ యూ ఫైండ్ ఇట్? ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ చేసింది? Because every book has a name, every book has a specific name. It's an English book, it's a math book, it's a science book, like that. Python dictionary works the same way. Every value has a name. Okay, example, imagine your student ID card. Student ID card contain name, age, branch, college. Look carefully, every information has a label. Okay, key value pair. Like the dictionary also work key value pair data. Okay, branch, CI department, Python calls name, age, branch, key, add Harish 19 CI department. Like that the output will display like that. Now we will discuss one easy example. First, student. I am a student and my name is Harish. So now we are using name and value is a string, so that's why we are maintaining the quotes, and colons we are using separating key value pair. So age also same like that. 19 is a numeric value, so we are displaying 19. It's a it's not a string, so that's why we no need to mention these quotations for this. Then branch, CI department. Think like this: student name Harish, age 19, branch, CI department. Like this way now code will works by using dictionary. Okay, then access data. Suppose you ask what is the student name. The student name is Python print student name. Normally if you did not use a dictionary, this way you will be executed. Student name, student age, student detail, like so many prints, so many statements will use. So that's why they launched dictionary. Dictionary used to execute in an easy way. Okay, the output is Harish. Python looks for a name like this way. Okay, add new information. In case if you add new information for this dictionary, suppose if you want to join in a new college, before name, age, after name, age, college, Python, student, college, you have to associate now. So this way you will add information particular you will add information for that. If you want to change information by using age, change before age is equal to 19. If you want to update like this way, by using square braces, inside the square braces you are applying a key value means age. Then actual age is 19. Now I want to change my age into 20, so you will replace it. Then automatically the output will automatically change. Then remove information. I want to change my information, so suppose phone number is deleted, so pop means it's come to outside. Push means if you want to push something into the ball. Pop means if you want to execute, if you want to take something in that ball. Okay, like this you understand. Age disappear because of I am popping that key value pair. Okay, easy memory track. Imagine dictionary mini database. Every information has key value, just like student form. Name Harish, age 19. I am taking one real life example and I will explain. Phone contacts Harish, this is my name Harish, this is my sample number. It's not a real number, it's a fake number. Then Rahul, it is a fake number. Fake number means it's a number. Then bank, account number, balance if you want to check balance, Amazon products and prices, like this way. Now we will discuss one sample example. Sample multiple choice question. Dictionary stores A. Numbers, B. Characters, C. Key value pair, D. Images. Tell me the one answer, please. Now, dictionary stores key value pair. Okay, the right answer is C. Now I am collaborating part 7, part 8 and part 9 because of it's a very small topic, so that's why I am clumping two parts. I am taking a single part, so it is also a 8th part. Next, comprehension. Student become scared after hearing this name. Actually, it is very easy. What is easy? Student become scared after hearing this name. Actually, it is very easy. Imagine your teacher says write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like something else. Normal method use print 1, print 2, print 3, print 4 like this you use. But if you want to list comprehension, if you use list comprehension, if I is equals to range 1 to 6, number dot append. If you want to add after one particular element by using append. If you want to add more, you can use another functions. Okay. Now printing name content the 1 to 6 range values is there. Names content. Name is a variable. This cost operator using square braces. In this square braces we will display something. Okay. Too much typing. Python says I will do it in one line. Okay. What Python says I want to do in a one line. Don't make such a long prints, scans. Don't use all of this. Okay. Then numbers is equal to I if I in range 1 to 6. This means the value stored in the names variable in this numbers. In this number I want to print this numbers variable. So I am printing this. The output will be 1 to 6. Why 6 cannot print? Because of 6 is the ending. 1 is a starting value up to taken 1 to 5, because ending value automatically eliminated. Okay, if you want to give 7, then up to 6 here displayed. Okay, now I am changing here 7, then here automatically added one value. Okay, imagine a chocolate factory. Kids come one by one first kid, second kid, third kid, fourth kid, fifth kid. The mission automatically pick all chocolates in a one box. Okay, that mission is list comprehension. It's automatically create a list. Okay, all type of similar data they will form a list, and that is called list comprehension. Okay, then teacher says writing squares 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So by if you want to print a 1 square, print value, 2 square print values, 3 square print values, 4 square print value, like this way so many lines will be used for printing the statement. So now we are using this list comprehension. Square is equals to 1 into 1 means 1 square 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 2 square 4, 3 into 3 6, 3 square 6, like this way they will printing. Like I am showing 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 6. Okay, 3 3 are 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, like this way print. How it will print? Here I is equals to it is a one variable, another I is equals to it is a one variable, then it into the in between two variables the into operation will be performing here for I in range 1 to 6. Okay, now we are printing 1 into 1 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. This way the data will be displayed. Okay, even number, teacher says write only even numbers. Python I for I in range, this is a single line statement. I in range 1 into 11, I mean 1 into 10. 1 into 10 means 1 to 10 the range will applicable for this statement. Okay, if I divided by 2 means what data divided by 2, that data is called even number or else odd number. So right now I am explaining to you. Here I is equal to 2, then statement equals 0. If the statement is equal to 0, then that data will be printed. That data will be print and it will execute. Okay, like 2 divisible to 4, 4 also divisible, 6 divisible, 8 divisible, 10 divisible. Okay, like this way. In case here, if you give 0, then here also first 0 comma, like this way the output will be executed. These statements, these small programs are used in DSA questions. So many interviews also they ask like these simple questions. It is very easy, and in case if you did not learn these statements, then it is more critical to solve the problems. Instead of remaining this syntax, remember this pattern. What to store for each item if condition. Example, for I in range is equal to 5. Say once, I am saying once again, instead of remembering the syntax, remember this pattern. Okay, first you will follow this pattern. If condition, example, for I in range 5, read this like English. Take every number 5 from 0 to 4 and store in a list. I am saying an easy way. If you are taking I value in a store in a particular way, and that I value range is equal to 0 is equal to 4, and it's stored in a list. Okay, if you also solve these problems also, this is a very easy way. I am giving range, and it's how to read this. It's Python is a like English format, English language format, so everything will easy to understand and easy to solve the code. At least if you know little bit, if you know up to 20% of code, then you also build. If in case I ask any question, I think you must and should solve that problem. Okay, these easy tricks, list to tuple, set to dictionary, list compression, these topics are already completed. Then if you want interested to learn list to tuple set, the already we done a lot of videos for that. Let's check our playlist and watch it. Okay, don't teach like this. A dictionary is a immutable mapping object. Most beginners will get confused. Instead, teach like this. Okay, imagine your college ID card. It has name, age, branch, and college. Each label is a key, and the information based in a value. Python stored inform exactly like that. Okay, students remember stories much longer than difficulties. This technique style will make your videos stand out of typical physical tutorial, Python tutorial. Okay, in case um, sorry for my English communication is not good at all, but I am trying to explain in a better way. Next upcoming videos I will do in a better way. I will rectify my English communication and I will improve each and everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. If you want to like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.